To install the storage box first. Install the hand crank of cable reel. Cross the cable from the meter counter wheel. Align the limit slots of the cable connector with the limit slots of the camera head correctly. For the first latch, tighten clockwise. For the second reverse latch, tighten counterclockwise. This ensures the joints are secure and provides double protection. One end is fixed to the cable connector. And another end is fixed to the housing of the camera. You can adjust the size of the skid by fixing in different positions on the camera. One with 8 pins is for meter counter, another one for video. There are different lables on the link cable. Straight connetor connects to DVR control box, an elbow connector connects to cable reel. Remove the adapter from the back of the keyboard. And then insert the adapter to the socket with keyboard on the DVR control box. Needs 2 PC7 hash battery for working. Insert the USB flash we offered to USB socket. Press OK REC button to make video. Press the P button to take pictures. Press the UP down button to zoom in and zoom out. Press LED dimmer button to adjust the LED's brightness. Toggle the upper joystick to the left or right to adjust the focus of the side camera. Toggle another joystick to the left or right to rotate the camera head. Rotation reset camera switch the side camera and the bottom camera. Tighten the straight screw to break the cable reel. There is a slider on the cable reel. When roll back the cable, it will help to arrange the cable evenly. When there is a malfunction and the equipment does not work properly, we need to use this test cable to help. Use the test cable to connect the camera head directly to the control box. Test the full function of the camera. If all the functions are normal, we can confirm that the camera and the control box is good. The problem of the device comes from the cable reel. If the camera part is not working very well, we can know the problem is from the camera or the control box. Please contact us for after-sales service. Thank you.